evening, all you gorgeous ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Grand ALS Ice Bucket Challenge.
Neil, it's AIS, not ALS.
Are you sure?
One sec. Any Indians in the house? Any engineers in the house? See?
My bad. There's no other place in LA with this many Indian engineers. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the 20th annual Diwali celebrations of the University of Southern California, organized by the Association of Indian Students. Coming to you live from the Bovard Auditorium, which was very, very, very expensive. So we got USG, GSG, VGSA, ORL, and WeCon to sponsor it.
Tonight, you will laugh, you will cry, you will sing and you'll dance as we celebrate the biggest annual noise pollution event in India. Not that we're very quiet otherwise.
I am Neil Winston, your host for tonight, and our first order of business is to welcome each of you. Our first presenter wanted to write his own introduction.
Please welcome he who is as charming as Shah Rukh Khan, as intelligent as Aamir Khan, and as single as Salman Khan. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mithuna Loganathan, President of AIS. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome all you to AIS Diwali 2014. I don't know why President is always a guinea pig of all this jibes. Apparently, no one spares a chance to humiliate me publicly, no matter what the incentives are. But since they have set the stage, all the beautiful ladies get in touch with me once I get off the stage. On a serious note, today we are celebrating many things. We are here, firstly, of course, to celebrate Diwali. Whether we call it Diwali, Deepavali, or Festival of Lights, it's all the same. We celebrate it with crackers, sweets, and more importantly, our loved ones. That's the second thing we are going to celebrate today, the people. We all have our friends performing over here today. Despite their heavy coursework, they're going to put up a great show for you people. Please give them a big round of applause. There are a particular set of people with whom I'm going to celebrate this Diwali today, without whom me, you guys, would have not been here, the volunteers of AIS. They have done a marvelous work, working full-time, almost from past 3 weeks. So I would like to hear a big round of applause for them too. In Sanskrit, it's said that Ekachitva Dvayoreva Kimasadhyam Bhavediti. It means when two minds think alike, what is impossible to do? So when people come together, nothing is impossible, except for one thing, for pulling money from the thin air. I hope all the AIS alumni get what I mean. Last but not the least, we are celebrating a milestone at AIS. This is our 20th year anniversary, and we have traveled a journey for a long time. We started off with one person, Mr. Arvind Verma, who started AIS 20 years back when he was a student. Today we have grown into a huge organization where we stand as the largest Indian student association at United States. Apart from providing temporary accommodation, host of events, we always stand for Indian students at SC. Milestones are also timed to look forward, and I look ahead for a future of AIS with both hope and determination. Though we are almost at the end of fall semester, we have a host of events coming for you guys throughout the academic year. So be set for today's event. Let the party begin. Thank you, guys.